Don't try to misinterpret. My tweet, my statement is self-speaking. You please consult that and please don't try to misinterpret.
सर आपके ऑन कैमरा तो एक स्टेटमेंट आया है, अभी क्या स्टेटमेंट है आप वो बता दीजिए.
ऑन कैमरा भी है, प्रेस में भी है, सोशल मीडिया पे भी है, ट्वीट भी है. Just go through that and don't try to divide the country. मुल्क ने इस वक्त जो एक यूनानिमिटी दिखाई है, पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों ने जो एक यूनानिमिटी दिखाई है, all the political parties have shown their wisdom. Please don't try to vitiate the situation.
सर आपका क्या स्टैंड है, आप वो बताइए ना कि आपने क्या कहा. ये बात तो है ही नहीं कि
मेरा स्टैंड वही है जो राहुल गांधी जी का स्टैंड है. And he has said that we are with the union, we are with the government. Whatever the actions, no one has talked about the talks. So don't try to, please don't, I have never said that. I have said, whatever I have said, that is in the press, that is in the media, that is on my tweet. So please.
It's an insult to all those who have lost their lives, those innocent lives, those 26 students.
If you are attributing it to me, then I am saying with very strong words that I have never said it, and don't try to vitiate the situation in the country. The country, you are trying to put words in my mouth. I am telling you no.
एक सिंपल सवाल है, उसमें गुस्सा होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है.
No, please don't try to put words in my mouth. I have made clear this thing that if you want to see what is my stand, go to the statement, go to the tweet, and that statement is my statement is what Rahul ji has.
आपसे सर स्टेटमेंट ही पूछा जा रहा था, आपका स्टेटमेंट क्या है, उसके अलावा तो किसी ने पूछा ही कुछ नहीं है.
Our statement, my statement is whatever I have reiterated what Rahul Gandhi ji has said, and he has said that we should be seen as in unison with the government of India. Whatever, don't speak about what and not what. And he has said whatever the government of India feels good for the integrity of the country, we are with the government. That's it.
एक आपका ही बाइट आया था जिसमें आपने कहा पाकिस्तान से बात होनी चाहिए टेबल पे.
Don't try to vitiate the. I have said what you asked. I have said it. So not beyond that. Not beyond that.
This is what just
आज के सेशन को आप किस तरह से
there are another channel that should be open. But sir, what about the terror attack that takes place here? What about the Indian Army?
We have condemned it in the strongest possible words. Now don't try to vitiate the situation. I am telling you, requesting you again and again.
Your statement
तो
back
सर
off.
पाकिस्तान
There are
वाला
no
कोई
ifs and buts in it. Whatever Rahul Gandhi has said, entire nation is with that. Entire nation is with the
आप
government.
पाकिस्तान से बातचीत को सपोर्ट नहीं करते
No,
हैं.
I am not. I have not said anything regrettable, okay?
Thank you.
No, this is simply misinterpretation of the things. Whatever I said is the reiteration of our leader, Rahul Gandhi ji. That is it.
क्या आपने बोला था कि बातचीत हो?
We didn't say that. We said that wars have always brought devastation in both the countries. That's it.
तो बातचीत के बारे में नहीं बोला.
No, nothing about Baatcheet. I have reiterated whatever the government of India feels fit. Congress party is with that, and we are in the unison of the issue.